Hello loves, it's K.Hill of LockAccessories.com, your home for all things curls, coils, kinks, and locks. And today I'm coming at you with a creative entrepreneur diary. We have not had one in a while, so I figured as we're gearing up for Black Friday, I'll take you a little bit behind the scenes and show you how I'm prepping for Black Friday. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments, and that could be the inspiration for another video. I'd be happy to follow up. But for today, I'm just going to give you a few quick tips on how I am preparing for Black Friday. If we have any other creative entrepreneurs, shout out to them. Say hello in the comments, and hopefully this can help you too. Let's get started. So as you're watching this, we are in the midst of pretty much a second lockdown due to coronavirus. It's late in the year and the cases are surging again. So a lot of states, at least here in the US, are approaching and have already implemented a second lockdown. So as such, we're like 2 weeks away from Thanksgiving. The holidays are here, and a lot of people will be at home. The Black Friday is going to be huge online, and so I want to be ready. And as such, I am trying to prepare. One of the things that I did was I noticed that my biggest seller was the Lock Detox hair bombs. People went crazy over those, and so I have decided to use that as one of my main Black Friday offers. So I was thinking, okay, how can I zhuzh it up for Black Friday? Because you don't necessarily want to offer the same old. You want to give people something special, something a little bit extra, actually a lot of bit extra. You want to really wow them for Black Friday. So I've been thinking about, like, how can I do that? How can I make it extra special? What I decided to do, normally I sell the Lock Detox bombs by themselves or with a clarifying African black soap shampoo. And so what I did was I decided to make it giftable. So I give a complete kit. You don't have to do anything else. You have the Lock Detox to cleanse your, to detoxify your locks, get all the gunk out. Then you have the clarifying shampoo, cleanse, start fresh, start new. And then I'm for Black Friday, I'm also including a conditioning hair spritz to put that moisture back into your hair. So it's everything that you need to really, detox, start fresh, and get your locks back in order. And so since it's a complete set, I decided to go with a giftable set. So I have placed my orders for all of my packing materials, and they have come in, and I'm kind of excited about it because I kind of geek out over packaging. So I'm going to show you what I have. Shh, don't tell anybody because it's supposed to be a surprise, but I can't keep it to myself because I'm so excited. So I'm going to give you a little sneak peek of what the packaging is going to look like and how I'm presenting it for my Black Friday offer. So here we go. All right, so the elements that I'm putting together for the gift packaging are pretty simple, and they come together quite nicely. So what I did was I bought the actually bakery gift boxes, and I got everything I got online. I ordered online, which made it really convenient, of course. But the thing is, they arrive as flats. So you actually have to put together, this is the actual box, and this is the sleeve. It's called a window sleeve because you can see through it. So you can get a sneak peek of the contents. And I like these because they themselves serve as a giftable presentation, as opposed to like a covered box where you get the box but you don't know what's in it. So this way it saves on packaging because you don't have to double wrap something. And also it's just cute. And people get excited when they see it. But the downside is you have to assemble all of the boxes. And pretty much they all come like that to save on shipping, I'm sure. So if you have some little helpers around to help you put the boxes together, be sure to plan ahead for that. My goal for this Black Friday is to sell 250 units. That's my personal goal. And so I'm going to prep as if that is going to happen because we are thinking positive. So I have the bottom, and then I have the window sleeve. Then I have some shred. And then I also bought my new bottles to kind of fit my brand. So I bought these are 2 ounce they're travel size amber bottles. And I have spray top, which is going to be for the conditioning moisture mist. And then I got twist top caps for the shampoo, but they haven't arrived yet. They're on back order, and I'm starting to get a little nervous because they should have been here last week, but they are still on back order. So I'm keeping my fingers crossed that they arrive this week, so I'm not last minute trying to put together all of the shampoos. And then I also bought pre-tied stretch ribbon. Now this is a lifesaver because this means you don't have to hand tie ribbon on your packaging. So this is going to save me so much time. And then I have a little extra surprise I'm going to show you now. So when it's all put together, it ends up looking like this. Now I don't have all the elements in there, but it still gives you an idea of what it's going to look like as a finished package. That's I call them gifts to go. That because if you purchase it for yourself, of course it's great for yourself, but also it's ready to be gifted, so you don't have to think about anything else. Once you get it and you want to give it, it's ready to go. But check out the little extras that I added, and I'm like geeking out over, so don't laugh at me. I get excited about these little things. I have my Hello Love sticker, because that's how I always greet people. And then check this out, y'all. I found a charm that says love is in the hair. Now I have some other options. I was going back and forth, and I'll show them to you, and you guys can vote in the comments which is your favorite. I have the tree of life, which could represent you know, roots and hair roots growing. Then I also have the L, which, you know, of course stands for accessories. Then I also have Al Natural, which is a charm. And then I have the love is in the hair. So you guys tell me. I'm kind of leaning towards the love is in the hair, but to be quite honest, the bulk of the charms have not arrived. We're having, this whole Corona thing has made supplies and shipping a real challenge for everyone, not just me, but small businesses in particular. Have had challenges with shipping, and plus with the delays. So no, if you are planning to do your online shopping, start early, because shipping is going to be kind of crazy this year. So make sure, in order to get your purchases on time, be sure to start early. Don't wait till the last minute this year, especially not this year. This is not the year to wait till the last minute to place your orders. But anyway, and that's not just for me, that's just in general. No matter where you place your orders, be sure to start early. So yeah, that's what I have here. That is my plan. I also plan to have some other offers throughout Black Friday, Cyber Monday weekend, and maybe even surrounding those days. We might have deals for days. In fact, we probably will. But I'm not going to spill the beans on what all those offers are. But this is the highlight for Black Friday. So let me know what you think. I think that's it for right now. So far that is what I am planning for my feature Black Friday offer. I'll call it the feature Black Friday offer, because that won't be the only thing that I'll be offering for Black Friday. I have some things in the works. It's just a matter of how quickly I can prep everything and get everything photographed. I do have plans to have a photography session this Thursday, and so we'll see how that goes. I got some props, and we'll see how the photo session goes, and that will help determine what I'm able to offer on Black Friday, because as you know, it's not just taking the pictures. You got to take the pictures, you got to get them cropped and, you know, finalized. You got to get product descriptions together. You have to set your pricing. I have ordered all of my shipping supplies, so I have my boxes ready. So I'm just trying to get prepared as best I can. I'm sure that there will be things that I missed, but it's a learning process. Each year you get better and you do the best you can. The key is like being communicative with your customers, having things prepped as much as possible, and just striving to offer good service. That's the best you can do. And if you have that as top of mind, offering the best product, the best service, wanting to give good value, then I think you'll be fine. You don't have to worry. So don't stress out. If you're a creative entrepreneur out there, try not to stress out about all the what ifs, because you'll never be able to cover them all. Just do the best that you can and have a good intention going into it. And I'm going to assume that everybody has good intention that's here on this channel. If not, oh no, because we're not about that here. One of the other things that I'll be working on today is finishing out my Black Friday Cyber Monday graphics. I want to have them all ready to go. So I did all of my banners, and now today I'm going to work on the Instagram images and get those all queued up. So that is the plan today. Oh, and to finish the sales page. That's huge. I have to finish the sales page. I'm a little uncomfortable with the fact that I still have to finish it. So I got to get a couple of people to test it. That's important, because you definitely don't want to wait to game day to see if your sales page works. That would be awful. The other thing that I'm doing is I am gathering leads for the list. So I have a couple of posts out and an ad out, just trying to see who might be interested in being first in line for the Black Friday offers, because I am a handmade business, creative entrepreneur, as you know, and there are limited quantities. So I'm not really looking to have, well, I really don't have products that can blow out like 10,000 units or something like that. I'm not selling a digital product. I'm selling actual physical products that I make. So I have a limit on how much I can make and how much I can have queued up. So those that are interested would need to get in early. That's just the reality of where it is right now. Now in the future, like future big picture ideal scenario, I would love to have like a cottage industry where I have different communities that are handmade makers as well. So that is not just me making the things. And then, you know, that also helps me in terms of not only employing other people, but creating self-sustaining families and communities and things like that. I think there's a lot of value there and opportunity there to rise up. But that's future. We have to start where we are, right? So thank you for stopping by and for watching. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to drop them in the chat. And I will be sure to swing back by and answer any questions. Stay tuned for next week, because we'll be answering some questions from the fan. I have some questions that have come in and I want to give voice to them. So stay tuned for that next week. And until next time, be well. Bye-bye.